Hi friends, this is KRB. In this video, we are discussing about how to construct hyperbola, general method or eccentricity method. The question is, draw a hyperbola when the distance of its focus from its directrix is 50 mm. Distance of its focus from its directrix is 50 mm. Means AF equal to 50 mm. And eccentricity E equal to 3 by 2. Eccentricity E equal to 3 by 2. Eccentricity is given. Is it? It means VF by VA. Numerator divisions are 3 and denominator divisions are 2. The sum of eccentricity is now eccentricity equal to 3 by 2. It means VF by VA. So AF distance is equal to the sum of its numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator means it is 5 parts. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 parts. This AF divided into 5 equal parts. So now I am going to construct a hyperbola. How it is construct? See, first of all draw a line, vertical line, that is equal to the, draw a vertical line, name it as D dash. Now draw a perpendicular to the directrix at A, name it as AB. So this line divide into, this is a principal axis, this D dash is a directrix, AB is a principal axis. Now mark F on principal axis at a distance 50 mm from the directrix. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 centimeters, that equal to 50 mm. Now this line divide into AF divide into 5 equal parts. So here each and every division 10 mm. It is so easy. This is the first one, second one, third, fourth one, and F as a fifth one. Now F as fifth one. First division, second division, third division, fourth division, and this is a fifth division. F as fifth division. Now mark V. At second division. Mark V at second division from the directrix or from A. Now mark this third division from focus. Now mark V, third division from the focus. Now draw a line at V perpendicular to AB. Now I am taking radius equal to VF as radius. Draw an arc. It is intersect that perpendicular line at E. Now draw a line from A. It is passing through E, extended up to so on. Now I am taking radius equal to 5 mm. It is better for hyperbola. 5 mm or 6 mm is better. So mm as radius. Now mark 1, 2, 3 and so on AB. V as center. Cut the principal axis. This is the point 1, point 2. This is point 3. This is point 4. Point 5, and now I got F as a point. Now I got F as a point and F as center again. This is point 6, 7, 7 as center, 8, and so on. Now draw. Now here we have to draw perpendicular lines at point 1, 2, 3 and so on. Draw a perpendicular at 1, at 2, at 3, at 4, at 5, at F also, at 6, at 7 and at 8. At 8. Now the intersection points are 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Sorry, this is F dash. This is 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Now I am taking radius equal to 1 dash as radius. Same procedure. Here radius will change, center won't change. 1 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 1 dash line. Cut the 1 dash line. Now 2 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 2 dash line. 3 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 3 dash line. 4 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 4 dash line. Similarly 5 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 5 dash line, and F dash as radius, F as center, here cut the at F dash only. Now 6 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 6 dash line. Now 7 dash as radius, F as center, eight dash as radius, F as center, cut the 8 dash. I want to erase these excess lines, unnecessary lines. After I got the locus points, now join these all the curves. Now I am joining. We have to join these all the points, locus points, by using HB pencil. Draw a smooth curve. Draw a smooth curve from V and similarly opposite side. Now with the notations, this is P1, P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, this is PF dash, P6 dash, P7 dash, and P8 dash. Here is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, PF, P6, P7, P8. This is our obtained curve hyperbola. Now, how to draw a tangent and a normal to the hyperbola at a point 25 mm from the directrix. Here, the distance from the directrix to point on the curve is 25 mm. The horizontal distance to the curve or perpendicular distance to the directrix is 25 mm. See here to here 30 mm approximately, but here we got 25 mm, 10 mm, 20 and 25 mm here nearer to the P1. So this point is P. This is the point P. Now mark point P at a distance is 25 mm from the directrix. Mm here to here. Now draw a line P to F. Then draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular line to the PF at point F to the directrix. These two are right angles. Is it? Now draw a line. So this intersecting point, name it as T. Now draw a line or join P and T. Now join T and P. Extend it so on. Name it as T dash. T dash is a tangent to the curve at a point P. This tangent T dash is passing through the point P only. This tangent line is touches to the curve at point P only. Now draw a normal. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. So draw a line perpendicular to the tangent line like this. These two are perpendicular. Name it as N and S. These two are perpendicular to each other. This is our required curve hyperbola. Now give the dimension. So AF is equal to how much? 50 mm. The name of the curve is hyperbola. Draw two parallel lines with height equal to 5 mm. This is our required curve hyperbola.